sprinklers are probably the most important part of the machine. If you're not getting the water where it needs to be or correctly, the pivot's not going to do you any good. It can go round and round and round if it ain't putting the water on right. So.
We are pretty diligent about going through the yield maps and seeing if we can tell tracking and stuff where the sprinklers are getting worn out. The yield data shows when you have a sprinkler package that's worn out. You just need to stay up on that.
And that's when you step in and say, okay, we need to revisit this. And how long's it been? We do, when we do our winter checks, we do have the guys say, hey, find out what they got for sprinklers on there. We will approach them and say, you know, this pivot's a 97 and it looks like they're original. Maybe it's time we look into it.